They're off in the Commentator. Weekend Hideaway comes out sharply. Diversify with his early speed up and on the pace too. And on the inside, it's Hit It once more. They're joined from the rail by I Love Lulu, who's close up as well. Then it's Gypsum Johnny on the outside. Loki's Vengeance behind them. 5 to Governor Malibu. And at the back of the pack, our late-running Royal Posse and Empire Dreams. The first quarter mile, 23.04 seconds in Weekend Hideaway. Last year's winners in front by a length and a half. Hit It once more and Diversify heads apart second and third. Gypsum Johnny is fourth on the outside. I Love Lulu tucked in fifth. Loki's Vengeance behind them, heading for the turn, 6 from the front. Governor Malibu's got 10 lengths to make up. And then comes Royal Posse, and far behind here is Empire Dreams. 46.04 the half mile. Even fraction so far for Weekend Hideaway, who leads at 3/4 of a length to Diversify. Gypsum Johnny's come under a ride on the outside. Hit It once more is down at the rail. And then comes I Love Lulu, who's 6 lengths off the lead. Governor Malibu is starting to pick up his stride. He's 8 behind, but he's gaining ground now as they come to the top of the stretch. Weekend Hideaway turning for home in front by 2. Diversify is second. Governor Malibu continues to progress on the inside as Weekend Hideaway drifts out with the lead here. Weekend Hideaway trying to get another furlong. Diversify second on the inside. Governor Malibu just had to steady when Diversify came over. And then it's Gypsum Johnny, and they're coming down to the line. And Weekend Hideaway and Diversify. Weekend Hideaway looked like he held on. Diversify was closing in, though, and it's close. And it was also close for third between Governor Malibu, who had trouble in the stretch, and Gypsum Johnny. The final time was 1 minute 37.34 seconds.